Got the 64.5 convertible Mustang out today. We're going to be doing a walk around, kind of a general check over. I'm surprised this one's been with me for the last few months. Some of it's down to color. Either love kind of the poppy red style orange, almost looks like a competition orange for newer Mustangs, but this one shows really nice, kind of towards the higher driver. There's only, minor imperfections looking at you. It's had a refresh, I think about 8 to 10 years ago. This owner didn't end up building it, they've just enjoyed it. Kind of some original characteristics, but what's been updated's nice. Newer top. Interior's been touched off kind of at the time that they repainted it and restored it. Other than the newer 4-speed that's gone in, haven't had to do much to it other than just enjoy it. Go around here too. Getting to the door cards, all the rubber and trim was replaced at that time. Driver's side, you've got a little minor areas where the lower door seals just had some touch up there. Got one area here, there's probably some rubbing over time. Door gaps aren't bad. There could be a little adjustment there that helps with that, but the front's pretty clear of any sort of chips, damage. Headlight bezels, lines look good. This door's got a little bit more sag. Kind of same top corner, just contact, maybe where that's getting close. Up to this fender looks in pretty good shape, but you're gonna have a little bit of that just down the side. Kind of less of that wear and tear just on the inner door seal there. This gasket could probably use a little of that adhesive just to stay on. You can see the clip behind it. That could probably go back too. Back down so we test the convertible top. Have any issues there? Got a little paint chip hanging out here. Come around to the trunk area. Shows pretty nice and straight. Consistent lines on the rear. Trunk gap looks in good shape. Got a little bit of maybe what's etched in, or there's a product that was kind of used on the paint or sitting over time. These owners have had it garage kept since they've had it. Alright, and pretty standard towards the interior. They did go as far as painting the inner walls there. We've gone underneath it and no signs of rust, no structural issues. So this one probably was in nice shape when they did it. Trunk seal in good shape. Kind of an original spare assembly. Sticker notated, and then you've just got the trunk liner, trunk cover. Newer gas tank and some insulation. All the wiring's been touched off and redone. actually, it likes the more original key. Signal outside of the warehouse area here. Lights. Wipers good to go. Alright. Day here in Dallas, so didn't have too much trouble with the cold start. Probably could use an idle up just a little bit. I feel like the idles are a hair low. Let's get the hood open now, and then we'll test the convertible top. Of what's been replaced kind of for today's times. Services just done nicely. This one's been really well taken care of. That's kind of what this owner wanted too, something mildly refreshed, good on suspension, updated radiator, just all the tune-up and stuff done that you would want there. Really free of any sort of major leaks, not one that drips, where I've had it parked here for about a month and I didn't have anything underneath it. Further into the underside, and we'll test this convertible top. Comments and questions a lot on price. This one's hosted by Gateway Classic Cars out of the Dallas showroom. Listed under 30. This one's at 29. For this complete of a convertible, we think it's definitely a fair bargain just for all that you're getting. Something that, you know, doesn't need any sorting, and you don't have a whole lot of age present either, where, you know, not a 80s or 90s build that you're kind of hoping shows a little bit less wear and tear. This one's just kind of been refreshed for today and shows nicely. Let's take the top up now. Looks like it's through. Certainly use a patch there. It's not kind of a two-layer top where you'll have a little bit further insulation there, keeping water out. Not present on the passenger side. You get a sense of the age. It's mostly cleaned up, but it's been stowed away while they keep it parked.